Hey guys, so today we're going to do a test and we're going to find out, are you a musical genius or are you tone deaf? So we're going to be in the key of C4 now. And I'm going to play the C major scale and I'm going to use the number system as seen on your screen. Right? So now I'm going to play a note and you're going to tell me which one of these numbers am I playing? If you guessed 5, you would be so correct. Let's go again. What's your guess? If you guessed 2, you would be so correct. What about this? What do you think that is? If you guessed 7, you would be so correct. Now we're going to take it up a notch. I am now going to play 2 notes together and you're going to tell me which 2 notes am I playing. Again. So what 2 notes are you hearing? If you guessed 1 and 5, you would be so correct. Let's go again. What did you hear? If you guessed 1 and 7, you would be so correct. So now I'm going to take it up a notch. I am now going to play 3 notes and you're going to tell me which 3 notes are you hearing. Yeah, it's a bit more complicated, ain't it? But let me give you some help. I'm going to play it as an arpeggio. Again. What are you hearing? If you said 1, 5, and 6, you would be so correct. Let's do another one. Yeah, that one is tricky, ain't it? Let's do it as an arpeggio. If you guessed 1, 3, and 4, you would be so correct. Alright, so I'm going to play this scale and you tell me which number am I missing? Again. Which number am I missing? If you guessed 5, you would be so correct. Let's do another one. Which one did I miss? This is so easy. If you guessed 2, you would be so correct. So now guys, I'm going to take this up to another level. This time I'm going to play a chord first, and then after the chord I am going to play a single note. It is then up to you to tell me if that single note that you hear after Does it fit perfectly with the chord, or is it a dissonant note? Does it clash? So let's begin. That's the chord. Now listen for the note. So does it clash or does it fit? If you guessed fit, you would be so correct. Let's do another one. What did you guess? If you guessed fit, you would be so wrong. It's a dissonant note. Right? So let's do another chord. Does this note fit? If you guessed dissonant note, you would be so correct. So let's do some more chords. Again. Does this note fit? If you guessed fit, you would be so correct. What about this? Does this note fit? If you guessed fit, you would be so correct. What about this? Does this note fit? If you guessed a dissonant note, you would be so correct. We're gonna do one more. Does this note fit? Is that a dissonant note? Does it fit perfectly? If you guessed a dissonant note, you would be so correct. So guys, how did you do? Are you a musical genius or are you just tone deaf? Let me know in the comments.